What about it, YouTube? Alright, just a quick video that might help you do a CV axle replacement a little faster and easier. Rather than take apart the hub assembly, just take apart your A-arms, okay? And that'll allow, and take your shock loose right here. And then loosen it up here so that you can move it out of the way, and you can retighten this and the bushings will hold it up out of the way. Just be sure that when you go back to put all these A-arm bolts back together that you don't over tighten them. If you don't want them to seize the ability of the A-arms to go up and down, and so you only need maybe 10 pounds of torque or something on these, something light. Anyway, yeah, it'll allow you to pull your A-arms out away. Your spindle will come out from the hub assembly first, and then you can kind of move all of this. I support it with the tire, so you can move all of this out of the way and kind of rotates a little bit off to the side, and then you can get a good straight pull on your CV and pop it out from the hub up here. And then another trick when you go back to put your new CV in, here's an old one from the other side, is to make sure that your ring clip, it has the open part, that part, you want that facing down, and just kind of push on the top of that there. Make sure that it's seated kind of down when you go to put this in, and that'll help you when you go to ram it, because you're going to want to just, you know, get a nice good ram going back into the central hub, and it'll help that clip get past and not get caught up or whatever, give you trouble. So anyway, that's it. It seems to me to be a lot faster and easier than trying to take the hub assembly apart to get the CV out. And it gets, if you do it this other way, then you've got your A-arm in the way and you've got to tie it up when you go to mess with your CV. So I just think that this is easier. It's easier for me. Hope it helped out somebody else. God bless.